Hey guys, this is just a random video, I guess. There's some kids screaming. Well, welcome to my backyard. I'll show you guys. We got the little window. It's actually quite big for like a suburban area. I'm just kind of using my laptop as a video camera right now. So I guess I'm just gonna walk around. I'm just wondering if they're killing each other. Oh, there's a bird in our backyard. And some black substance. Black. I'm not sure if you can, but whatever. I can't even see my face. It looks like the back of my head to me when I'm in the shadow. I'm just gonna step in the shadow so I can see it better. Okay, that's a little better. There, put it. I'm just gonna read some weird quotes that I'm finding on Google. With great power comes a great electricity bill. So that's true. I don't have an attitude problem. I just have a personality you can't handle. Yeah. I'm gonna walk out front. Show you the outside of my house. It's like a beige color. It's gonna be like that weird kid that's always vlogging outside now. My parents are always telling me to get outside, so the internet still reaches out here. Haha. Take that. Here's my street. I'm vlogging. The guy probably thinks I'm an idiot. Freak person vlogging. Well, that's my street. Ain't it full of life? I'm gonna go back to my backyard. Listen to those kids scream. So a lot hasn't really happened in the past 3 hours. 3 or 4 hours. I want to hang out with a friend, but like when I can't hang out with somebody, everybody wants to hang out with me. But when I can, nobody can. That just sucks. I'm really wondering what they are doing over there. They were having like a bonfire or something. Not a bonfire, but they had like torches or something over at that house. So I'm like, oh my god, I hope they invite me over. But that didn't happen because I'm just invisible at night. Because I usually wear dark colors. Well, not this time, I'm wearing Adventure Time. We could really use a trampoline, like, right there, but it's probably not a good idea because there's some power lines that go right over our house. So, not like those big ones, but they're kind of lower to the ground. Like, I don't know. But yeah, they're there. I'm gonna go inside and show you guys my house. I haven't really given you guys a tour yet. So, in I go. Ooh. Okay. Can you open the door? Just give me a sec. What's up? I'm showing the internet my house.
Hey, I don't want people to see our house. You turn off the internet.
Why? It's not like they're gonna stalk us for nothing.
That's private information.
Not really. People are over. Whatever. You people are weird. not private if people are gonna see it. Oh, what happened? The screen went black. Can you guys see me? I'm gonna stop filming. So peace keys, I guess. I know I'm stealing D Fizzy, but that's because he's awesome. I'm Lizzie Fizzy, so peace keys.